My name is Grace Festa. I'm the Director of Biopharmaceuticals with the Virginia Economic Development Partnership and work with the entire life sciences sector in Virginia to grow the ecosystem. In Virginia, we have a combination of both research and development work as well as being a really great place for manufacturing. We have 5 Tier 1 universities in the state that serve as the anchors for our different biotech hubs around the state. And there's significant expertise in things like neuroscience, metabolics, cancer treatments, medical devices, and a strong focus on engineering with schools like Virginia Tech, University of Virginia, Virginia Commonwealth University, George Mason University, and Old Dominion University. And we also have a lot of manufacturing happening in Virginia, and a really growing pharmaceutical manufacturing industry with a lot of effort put towards investments that are strategic in order to build pharmaceutical manufacturing. One of the reasons Virginia is such a great place for the life sciences industry is that we have the ecosystem needed for the industry. We've got incredible talent coming out of nationally recognized research universities, but the cost structure is going to be much lower than in some other locations that life science usually locates. Virginia is the CNBC's best state for business. We're extremely business friendly. And it's just a great place to be able to settle, get a lot of attention, and not spend all of your venture capital earned money on rent, employees, etc. It's just an easier place to do business.